Hi everybody, welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all having a beautiful day wherever you are. I wanted to stop by because I have a really exciting announcement. We are hosting another retreat, at this time to the beautiful Oaxaca, Mexico. And I'm really excited about this retreat because it's going to be a great time for us to disconnect, get out of the mundane, the ordinary, the hustle culture, our never-ending to-do list. And I'm going to be hosting many different trips all around the world. So this is going to be our second one. And as you know, we are going to Costa Rica this year, October. And unfortunately, that trip is sold out, but you can also join the wait list if you're interested in joining Costa Rica with us. But we have many tickets available for the Oaxaca trip, and I wanted to go to Oaxaca because Mexico is one of my favorite countries. I was born in Mexico, and I just feel like there is so much beauty to explore. I've never been to Oaxaca. I've never been to Mexico City. That's potentially another trip that we're all going to take together. But I wanted to start off our adventure in Oaxaca so we can get an immersive experience with the culture, the people, and really travel together as a group and explore this beautiful state. There's so many fun activities included in this itinerary that I wanted to go over that with you guys today. And so this is going to be our second trip. And so I wanted to go over Oaxaca. Oaxaca is not going to happen until next year, from June 28th, 2025 to July 3rd, 2025, and it's going to be incredible. Just check out the itinerary. Let's break it down. By the way, if you're interested to kind of see the itinerary, prices, details, all that information, I will link it down below so you guys can check out my website. You can also check out the official booking page where you can book and reserve your spot. Okay, so what's included? Pretty much your stay, activities, food, local transportation, all of that is included in the price. The only thing that's not included is the airfare. So your plane ticket to get to Oaxaca and out of Oaxaca, that is the only thing that is not included, but everything else is included within this package. So of course, day one, I am going to be getting there a little bit early because I want to make sure that I am rested and able to be fully present when I greet you guys in Oaxaca in the hotel that we're going to be staying at. So we have some dinner reservations for the first night that you guys arrive, and that's going to be a beautiful time for us to introduce ourselves, get to know each other, and set the intention for what we want out of this beautiful experience, this beautiful trip that we're going to be getting and taking together and exploring it as a group. Also, I love that this is such a great time to also make new friends. I am actually going with one of my really dear friends, Candace, and I actually met her about a year ago in a retreat or in a meditation circle that I hosted here at my house. And we became really great friends. We've been just connecting with each other throughout, and she's been so supportive about everything that I do. And I invited her to come on to this trip because she is going to Costa Rica also. And so she is going to be my plus one, my girl Candace, my very beautiful dear friend. And so I have been making incredible friends through the events that I've been hosting, and I know you guys are also going to make lifelong friends with this group of people because we are calling in like-minded women. And I know a lot of you guys also on a spiritual journey are starting to shed old relationships and are looking for ways also as an adult to build new relationships. And so this is a great time to meet like-minded women, build community, which is something so important and vital to our mental health and our spiritual journeys and just our journey as a human on this planet. So I'm really excited to meet all the faces that are going to be going to Costa Rica and of course to this trip to Mexico. So we're gonna, have our beautiful dinner. Day one in Oaxaca, we're all together. We got our cute outfits. I am so excited about the shopping also because you got to shop specifically for Mexico outfits, you know? So I'm really excited about that as well. We're gonna have our dinner, and then of course we're gonna go out, we're gonna go to bed and relax and everything and just get ready for a beautiful week of adventures. Day 2, we're gonna start off with our breakfast. Every single day you're going to be having breakfast. It's of course included. So we're going to be heading to Monte Alban, which is of course one of the most important and largest archaeological sites in the city of Oaxaca. And we're going to be exploring the tombs, the tunnels, the ancient ball courts, the history of such a beautiful place, and also get these beautiful views of Oaxaca city from the top. And after that, we are going to be, of course, taking pictures and learning about the spiritual aspect of such an ancient piece of architecture, and to be able to be there is almost like you're time traveling. And then we're going to be heading to get some lunch, and then we're going to have a private tour of Oaxaca City. We're going to be making different stops everywhere so we can really get the experience. And the next day, we are of course going to start off with breakfast at the hotel, and then we're going to have a cooking class with a private chef, and we're actually going to be going to the local markets and picking out some of these fresh ingredients, taking them back to the kitchen and learning how to make tortillas and salsa and dessert and local dishes that are staples and really revered in Oaxaca. And so it's going to be really exciting to have the cooking class, and then as a group we're going to be able to enjoy what we created together. So that's going to be really exciting. The next day we're also of course going to start off with breakfast, and we're going to visit the Tule tree or Tule tree, right? El árbol Dulce, I believe is how it's said. And it's believed to be about 2,000 to 3,000 years old. So a very ancient tree. Just imagine all the history that that tree has in its roots. So to be able to touch it, I am a proud tree hugger. I love hugging trees and connecting with the energy of trees. So after we visit the tree, we're actually going to visit another archaeological site and soak in the history of these ancient places. This place is called the Mitla Archaeological Site. Mitla was once a religious center for the Zapotec people and later for the Mixtec, and considered the second most important archaeological site in Oaxaca. So unlike Monte Alban, the construction of Mitla is lower to the ground and characterized as being constructed for the comfort of the residents rather than for the grandeur aspect of it. Then we're gonna get a little snack and enjoy the delicious snacks that they have available in the city. And then after that, we are going to be enjoying a workshop. This is a beeswax candle making class. And of course, you can take the candles with you. Okay, so this one's really exciting, guys, because we are actually gonna be working with local families, and they're gonna be the ones teaching us really old techniques for this class specifically on how to make beeswax candles. And so we're going to learn the old age process of making these candles that has been passed down from generations to generations. The next activity is the Zapotec textile demonstration. So we're actually going to be able to see how these local families make their rugs, their clothing, and see how they use traditional techniques and tools and patterns and dyes. So this is going to be a behind the scenes kind of look. And then we're going to have a delicious Zapotec lunch. I am so excited about this because when I'm from Michoacan, so when I went to Michoacan, my family would actually take me to like these local families, like to their houses that they were making like tortillas negras. They were so good. So you're actually like eating Mexican home cooked meals. Like you cannot get any better Mexican food anywhere else besides like home cooked Mexican meals, right? So to be able to have a Zapotec lunch that is going to be made by a local family, it's going to be like not only a great experience to remember, but like we're gonna have delicious food. I'm so excited about this. And then we're going to, of course, head back to the hotel. Day 5 is more of a free day. This is a time for you guys to just kind of explore the city, the workshops, the museums, take photos, the parks. Last but not least, we're gonna have a beautiful dinner all together. We're gonna come back to our hotels, freshen up, put on our beautiful dresses, get our best look on, take some photos, and just talk about the experience and what we learned and what it meant to us and how this trip transformed our lives. And it's time to say farewell. So yeah, this is going to be our last dinner together. And then the next day, of course, we're all going to be gathering for breakfast and heading out to catch our flights. So that is pretty much the breakdown of our trip to Oaxaca. It is full of activities, of course, but there's also a lot of time to relax and take in everything that you're learning and really be in the moment and disconnect from the everyday hustle, the culture, and do something for yourselves. This is a great opportunity for you guys to go on a solo trip and not wait around for people to join you on a trip, and now actually go on a trip and know that you are with a group of people that are, you know, high vibe people. I'm gonna be there, so, you know, I'm gonna take care of you guys to the full extent. I am definitely a mama bear, even though I'm 4 feet 9 inches. I am full mama bear energy with like me hosting this trip, and like anything that I put together, I am mama bear to the T. So I'm going to be taking care of you guys, of course, with anything that you need. And I'm really excited to meet you guys, to travel with you, to make memories with you, to make lasting friendships, and to enjoy the beautiful city of Oaxaca. I will leave all the information down below so you guys can check it out. I will be, of course, talking about the trip as time goes on, because it is not till like a little over a year from now, in June 28th, end of June. So the boys are going to be on vacation. People are going to be on vacation. It's going to be a great time to travel. We do have an early bird special happening right now for the first 8 people that booked the trip, and right now we have a few people that have already booked. So there's a few more early bird spots available if you guys are interested. And if you have any questions about this trip, leave them down below. I will be answering every single question that comes to me through this YouTube channel, through a DM, through an email, anywhere you can reach me. I will be answering your questions. So thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. So with that being said, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I will see you in the comment section down below.